So I just wanted to jump on here real quick because I know some of you are feeling exactly the way I am feeling right now. It is Sunday night. I had an amazing weekend. The weather is starting to change here, so it was nice to get outside. But what I hate about Sundays is you kind of go through this ritual of getting ready for Monday, which is, a new work week that we all dread. And I don't want to keep doing that. I want something different. So, about a month ago, I went all in and started learning affiliate marketing, how to do it, what's it about, what needs to be done to get results. And I am loving every minute of it. And my mindset is so focused right now. And not only do I want to change my life, I want to learn as much as I can to help you guys change yours because I truly believe in this. And I truly believe that we can change our lives. We have to unite and stick together, hold each other accountable. It's not going to be easy and it will take time. This isn't some get rich quick. It's not a scheme. It's really hard work. And if you dedicate, a couple hours in the morning, or maybe it's at night, you can, even, use time on the weekend instead of watching Netflix to change our future, to make Sundays start, to feel different, to be more exciting. Because when you build a business online, you eventually can get rid of that 9 to 5, that, dreaded getting ready for the new work week feeling. So, if you would like, I would love for you to follow along. I will be sharing tips and resources to help you also on this journey.